Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà mi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dá.
As you can see, these are the materials that we want to use for in Yoruba language we call it okuta. When they place curse on you, that whenever you want to start something, it will be difficult for you to complete the task. Maybe if you want to build a house, you want to buy something, or you want to start something that is very important in your life, and it's very hard for you to end it. I mean, very hard for you to complete the task. You understand? Maybe when you lay your hand on something, maybe business, or you want to travel, or you want to do something, and whenever you try to do something like that, it is very hard for you to complete it. You understand? Even it also happen in marriage. So if you are kind of that situation, this tip is for you. It's very simple and very, very effective. So what you need is divine grace. Have you seen it? Divine grace. This is divine grace. It's perfume, divine grace. And the second one is a origin, forgiving leaf. Forgiving leaf. And the third material is a pobo. This is a pobo, grounded one. A pobo. So the thick one is here. Have you seen the thick one? So this is the thick one. So you are going to grind it. Or you can buy the powder one in the market, right? And the fourth materials is stone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need 7 stone. You understand? You need 7 stone. So we also call this eti in Yoruba language. Eti means that if you are maybe you have a site that you want to build a house, you understand? And for the past 15 years or 20 years, you bought the land and you cannot be able to do something on that land. You wish to do something, but you don't have the power, or you don't have the money to do it, or something just happen. Whenever you want to do something on that land, something may happen. So you spend money on the unnecessary thing. You understand? So this tip is for you. It's very simple and very, very, very effective. So how to do it, and how to use it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Butiu Olatiboye, also known as Bariwenge. If this is your first time here, everything I do is to share spiritual tips to help your spiritual life. And if this content or any of my content are very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload video like this, you will be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, you are free to call me on the 0773742252. So as you see from the title, if you are a kind of person that you always complain of whenever you try to do something very important in your life, you hardly for you to complete the task. You understand? Like now, for example, maybe a land, you want to build a house. You understand? You have the money to build it, but you spend the money unnecessarily. You buy what you don't need. So after that, you'll be blaming yourself that how can I do this? You blame yourself. You understand? It's not an ordinary eyes. So today I want to share with you how to use this method to remove every, even if it is cause, if it is a family cause or friends cause, or you are the one causing yourself. Today I want to teach you the simple way to remove those causes from your life. What you need, the first material is divine grace. This is not divine favor. You understand? This is divine grace. Divine grace. The second material is a quobo, grounded one. The third one is origin, forgiving leaf. While the last material is stone, small stone, 7 pieces of stone. So how to do it and how to use it. So you are going to open this perfume. You open it, so you can pour out of this perf, because when you add those materials it may not be, so you remove out of this perfume because of the material you want to add. You understand? So this one is okay. So the first thing you are going to do is you will add this stone, the stone to it. This stone, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For both male and female, use 7, please. So the second one is you will. This is a kobo. You need small of this a kobo. You understand? Small is okay. So this is a kobo. You are going to add a kobo to it. Have you done that? So the third one is forgiving leaf. This is forgiving leaf. Origin. Yoruba language we call it origin. So you add it to it. You add it to it. You add it to it. Then after that, you are going to cover it. You cover it. So you can add this, the other perfume to it. So you can add this perfume to it. You understand? You can add it to it. So you cover it. You cover it. So you will keep it for 7 days. Keep it for 7 days. You understand? So after the 7 days, you are going to you will start using it on Tuesday. From Tuesday, you will use it for 7 days. Are you with me? When you keep it for 7 days, please note, if you keep it for 7 days, on that 7 days, maybe if you do it like now, today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, right? Today is Tuesday. So tomorrow Wednesday is going to be 1 day. So when you do it on Tuesday, Abi, so you count from Wednesday. Don't count today. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Or if you want to count Tuesday, that is 8 days, right? 8 days. Please, you must do this on Tuesday. You understand? And you leave it till next Tuesday. That on Tuesday night, you are going to add this to your bathing water. You must start using it on Tuesday, right? Start on Tuesday. You must do it on Tuesday and start using it on Tuesday. So that on Tuesday, you add a drop of this, you add it to your bathing water. You must use it for 7 days. Make sure that you use all for 7 days and use the water to bathe. You can use any soap of your choice. You can use local soap. You can use white soap. You understand? Any soap that if you can use it, add it to your bathing water. Start using it on Tuesday, right? When you start using it on Tuesday, you are going to end it on Monday. Abi Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You are going to end it on Monday. But you must keep it for 8 days. If you do, you must do it on Tuesday. If you do it on Tuesday, that is next Tuesday. You are going to start using it on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So you are going to finish using it on Monday. You understand? So you don't have anything to do with the stone, everything that is inside this thing. So go and create a way. That is how to do it, and that is how to use it. It's very, very, very effective. Very, very effective. So it's mobile also not be as a man low define grace. Fún ẹni tí wọ́n bá dá òkúta sínú ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbésí ayé. Ṣé ní òkúta pọ̀ lóríṣiríṣi. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá ẹni tó ń tajà tí ò rí ọjà ta nìkan ni òkúta. Tí wọ́n bá fi ẹtì nǹkan ṣèyàn, bóyá o ti ralẹ̀, o ti yẹ kó ti kọ́lé parí láti bí almost be 15 years o ti rà, o rí nǹkan kan ṣe lórí ẹ̀. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí olóyè lọ́wọ́ ọbẹ̀ tí ọkàn ò sí bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́. Kí ni nǹkan tá a máa wá? Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá define grace. Epo òbò tí wọ́n ti lọ, akọ òkúta méje, àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin méje náà lè máa lò. Tá bá ti wá mú, ẹ jẹ́ kí a kọ́kọ́ kó òkúta akọ yẹn sínú bíbà yìí. Tá bá ti kó sí, ẹ jẹ́ ká da epo òbò yẹn, ká da sí bí kan tàbí sí méjì, ká da sí. Tá bá ti da sí, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ewé oríjìn tútù, bóyá ajá lójó ni, tàbí ajá lójó kó jẹ́ tútù, ẹ má jẹ́ kó jẹ́ gbígbẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kí sínú ẹ̀, wá jẹ́ ká gbé pamọ́. Ọjọ́ Tuesday la máa ṣe. Tá bá ti ṣe lọ́jọ́ Tuesday, ó di Tuesday tó ń bọ̀ kí a tó lò, ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa lò. Tá bá ti wá fẹ́ lò lọ́jọ́ Tuesday yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa dà sínú omi tó bá tó wá wẹ̀. Ọjọ́ méjì la fi lò. Tá bá ti wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti máa lò lọ́jọ́ Tuesday, ó di Monday ká tó parí. Tá bá wá gbàgbé láti lò ní Tuesday yẹn, ọjọ́ tá bá ti fẹ́ lò, ẹ jẹ́ ká lò ní ọjọ́ Tuesday la gbọ́dọ̀ ní ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ méjì bẹ̀rẹ̀ nígbà tó ń bọ̀ ní ayé Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè táyé wọn sì fi jẹ́. Tó bá di ìgbà míì, a tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi tó yàtọ̀ sí ilé wa. Wọ́n ká àdírẹ́sì subscribe sí ilé ìkókò àníkùn ìgbà.
La ilaha illallah, Alawalu, Alakiru, Asohiru, Abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásitì kúrò ni wọ́n sí kúrò ni wọ́n yìí náà ń ṣe mọ́.